welcome to my YouTube channel, The Classroom. Now, letter G also has two sounds like soft G and hard G. It's same as the letter C. Now, G E, G I, and G Y. It says J sound. Or if any other letter comes after G, it says G sound. For example, J sounds, soft sounds like gym, jumps, H, giant, giraffe, jam, page, change. These all are J sound. And the hard sound of G is G. Glue, grass, goat, glass, green, glow, grow. So G also has two sounds. If after G it's GE, GI and GY comes, it says J sound. If after G comes any other letter, any other consonants, it says J sounds. But ये rule always apply नहीं होता. Some exceptions words भी हैं like get, gift, anger, gynae. इस पे ये वाला rule apply नहीं होता. But mostly G has two sounds. Soft G and hard G means J sound and G sound. Okay. Thank you.